Hey, so you want to build a Shopify store? We're here to help. We are an agency in Miami focused only on e-commerce. Everything that we do, everything that we create, every content that we create is only for e-commerce because we believe that e-commerce is the future. We believe that everybody and everything will be sell or rent or subscribe through the internet from now on. So it's a great idea that you're thinking about e-commerce because you are thinking about the future. Shopify is a great tool to develop your online store because Shopify is easy to use and is self-managed. There are other platforms that we use also, but Shopify is the one you need to use if you want to be fully self-managed. Everything from the design of the store to the process of shipping or whatever can be self-managed on Shopify. The good thing about that is that we take everything that we know about e-commerce, all the conversion secrets, all the stuff, all the good pictures that we know how to take, and all the great products that we have worked with, and we put all that information on your store. All that data that we already know is going to be there. So you can take advantage of all that on your store, meaning that we are not just some guy somewhere that is just throwing yourself a store that looks pretty and that's it. We only care about conversions. So everything on the store will be only done with that purpose, to convert. Because we're an agency, we have all the resources that you may need, like product photography, for example, so we can take your business to the next level. We are also Google partners. Your store will be ready for advertising out of the box. And again, because we are an agency, our team is focused on all that. We have developers, designers, business managers, and everything. So it doesn't really matter where you're gonna sell. We are the agency that can help you.